See the screen. Which of the following security protocol protects communication between client and server?
Ma'am, 1 minute. Oh, sorry, I'm in wrong page. Just 1 minute. What's the page number, ma'am?
146.
146. Okay, 146. 146. Okay, 146. Got it. Got it. 11th question. The answer is A.
Yesterday only we read this one. Secure socket layer.
No.
Okay. Read this, Phillips. Read and tell the answer.
Fill in the blanks. First answer is
yeah. Do you have one more question or not for exam?
Yeah, ma'am. We have one more questions. Not all mixed questions we have.
Okay.
Thank God the second pre-board exam is online.
Second pre-board exam?
Online.
Online. Then you can copy and write.
Yeah, ma'am. Thanks to COVID and all, due to cases increasing of new wave, the second, third wave.
For that also, hey Kevin, a loser. For that also, you should improve your handwriting.
I improve my handwriting, ma'am.
Okay. Sir, okay, read.
Sad, ma'am, you called me loose.
What, ma'am?
Sad that you called me loose.
You can't?
Sad that you called me loose.
Yeah, I have rights to call my student. If you are feeling, then I am sorry. Sorry, dear.
No, actually, you're right. I'm loose.
Sorry then. Sorry. You are feeling, don't feel much, no? I'm sorry.
No, I'm a no short.
Summa Dade, read. Stop talking and read.
Ma'am, plagiarism.
Plagiarism. Read and tell the answer.
Distant copy text.
Directly copying text.
Directly copying text is called plagiarism.
Oh.
Copycat. Plagiarism is a source due to a lack of knowledge. The word dedicate combines of dash and dash, net and etiquette. Etiquette. Sorry, in between class I was not here. The fourth one, dash refers to an attempt to gain information understood and hacking. Next, totally 70 marks, huh? We have for pre-boards. Next is fourth question, right? Fifth one. Dash refers to a display or computer software privacy. Dash raising privacy occurs in between the commercial digital property right. Sorry.
Property rights.
A lack or hallmark.
The hallmark of
dash.
The hallmark of grants of dash grants.
Yes, sir. Privacy software.
Proprietary.
Property software license.
Proprietary software license.
Right license.
Hmm.
Oh. Uh, Next.
Eighth one.
Sixth one.
Eighth one.
Eighth one.
Hmm.
Dash open in the software movement rate spreading
The,
currently
o- the open
of
source software.
open source software.
The open source software movement started to spread the concept of open source software.
Software.
Freedom of information is also known as
Right of information.
right to information.
Right to information.
Next, digital divide is a term that describes the uneven distribution of
Um, Uneven
information and
distribution.
communication technology.
Yeah.
Information, repeat, not yeah. I am not going to write, you are going to write. Information and communication technology.
Information communication technology.
Next one, the dash is the buying and selling of goods and services on
E-commerce.
there.
E-commerce.
Trusty Technology has launched a certify that consumer software is an spyware.
Trust trusted band program.
Next, come to this true or false. Read properly and answer the question. Hmm.
I read the answer constantly
Hmm.
and properly answer.
Yeah, read properly and answer.
Lack of inefficient is called plagiarism. Yes, it is called plagiarism. Lack of inefficiency.
Okay, next.
Because if you mimic, now that's what I just got a washroom coming.
Go on. Come. Hello. Hello. Hello, Kevin. Kevin. Kevin.
Okay, ma'am. Tell me. Okay. Trademark is a dash intellectual property. True. It is a intellectual property. Third one. Ma'am, can you hear me, ma'am? Hello. Hello.
Kevin,
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me, ma'am?
you can hear ma, read ma, chalo, read ma.
Okay, okay. So I got surprised like when I didn't hear was that's why I asked you. Okay, I was reading. Okay, I'll read, ma'am.
Read ma.
I thought you went there somewhere. Okay.
Lack of
but
enforcement is called plagiarism. Is it true or false?
no, no.
Hmm.
Was
It is true only. Lack of planning time is called plagiarism. It is true.
yeah, it's
Then you
true.
said no, you said.
Fine. It's true.
Read next one. Yeah, did they give any?
Trademark.
Did they give any important question mark for exam?
Important question. No, ma'am. What is the CBC website questions?
Did you ask the answers for the questions to your teacher?
The both the question and answers are will be there in the website of CBC.
You share me ma that one.
Just one minute.
Not-
Just wait.
No, not now. After the class, please. Chalo.
Yeah.
Now you read now. Read.
Second is true because the trademark is individual property.
Next. Read. You read and tell the answer, not just like that.
Then the need of etiquette is mostly stored in the passport. Yes, false. An etiquette cannot be stored in the passport.
Okay, ma. Okay. Next one.
Next one is
Software piracy
software privacy.
is the act of illegally copying software.
Yeah, it's act of illegal copy of software.
Hmm. It is true.
Fourth is
True.
true.
True because unauthorized. Because software piracy means unauthorized duplication of computer software. Without that key, we cannot. Okay, if it is done like that, then it is unauthorized duplication. Next. License defines the process of sending and receiving the email. Is it true or false?
License. Ma'am is false. Sorry, ma'am. Email.
Something you are saying. Okay, Linux is an example of open source software. True or false?
Linux is true.
Next, Freedom of Information Act is a copyright law
False.
to protect. C2B applies to any consumer that sells a product to a business over the internet.
True.
E-commerce is not considered as a powerful tool to collect consumers' public information. False. Because it is used to collect the consumer's private information, not public information.
No, public information they can also collect, right?
No, only private information can be done.
Okay.
In encryption, information should be encrypted and decrypted only by an unauthorized user. True or false?
Um, false.
Okay, Kevin, now in this cyber ethics, we have seen all 1 mark short question answer and long answers also. Okay,
Yeah. You got a
so
network.
we will
Network chapter.
I will go to network chapter. So you should be ready with this lesson to write exam also.
On Monday.
Okay, now we'll go to network chapter.
Monday we'll have test.
I don't know how far you are going to write the test.
Anyways, Monday will be the test.
Let me see. After this class, now you please send me that CBSE question with answer, ma.
Yeah. But the school also given one question paper 1 minute. Let me see if they're not
So,
the sites are not proper.
after the class you give. Now you come to the class.
Yeah.
Come on.
Okay. The networking.
We go to long answers first. Short answer, long answer.
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll see this very short answer. Come on.
Very short answer. 1 minute. Right.
See, why is internet so popular?
Why internet is so popular?
Page number 15.
15, right? Yeah, 15.
Read that one. Why is internet so popular?
Internet is so popular because it's an extension of use and sharing of data. Internet became so popular.
What are the two major uses of internet?
Not just 1 minute. Okay.
What mention the two major uses of internet. For the students and educational purpose, we are using internet, and then
the two
we can
for the two purpose.
we can
One
send
for
them,
education.
and then we can send and receive the mail all over the world. Come on, repeat.
Yeah.
Repeat. What are the two major uses of internet?
First one is first used for students. Students for education purpose and to send a message all over the world.
Write two advantages of using internet. What are the uses of using internet? Advantages of using internet.
First advantage of this internet is the we can like communicate to anyone anytime anywhere, and it's low cost and it's very easily available. These are two advantages.
Name any 5 DSL broadband service providers in India.
Airtel Idea, Jio, Reliance, Airtel, BSNL, and etc.
Write the name of any two internet service providers, ISPs in India.
Airtel and Mantel.
MTNL.
MTNL.
Name any two ways of wireless connections of internet.
Um,
Wi-Fi and WiMAX.
Wi-Fi and WiMAX.
What is www?
www is worldwideweb.com.
What can a user do with www?
With www, the user can find any website in the internet.
Then what else they can do? You can listen to the music, view video files,
Video files.
and all those things. Name any two major service provided by internet.
The major two service provided by internet is
Email and www. Email,
yeah,
electronic mail, and the World Wide Web.
blah, blah, blah.
Read 10th question.
Uh, Man, 10th question actually not clear in this book.
Mr. Lal owns a factory which manufactures automobile spare parts, suggesting the advantages of having a web page for his factory. So, if you are having a web page for Kevin, what are the advantages?
So I can
If Kevin is having web page, what happen? Clients will know about you, about your spare parts, and then he can
yeah,
order and receive the orders from the web page
yeah.
itself.
My company will be international.
And that's what. Name any two popular web browsers.
In Google Firefox, uh,
Right.
Safari.
Okay, whatever it is. Write the relationship between a website and a web server.
Website. See, basically, website is a collection of web pages.
Hmm.
Um,
Web server is a computer.
the
Website is
computer is
web
the
server.
host.
It is along with the host. What is the full form of URL?
Universal resource locator.
Uniform resource locator.
Uniform resource locator.
Can we use URL to access web page? How?
We can use we can use URL to accept URL. URL. You can locate any website from URL because every website has a its unique address. So we can find by using URL.
Write web extension given to the websites. Educational government. For education we write .edu.
ed dot edu
For government we write .gov.
gov.
Write web extensions given to the sites of following organization. Network organization .net.
net
.net. And then
dot net
government agencies .gov.
.gov.
Hmm. Expand the following web extension. .org means organization.
Org means organization.
.in
I
means
means India.
India. So
Or means Oman.
you write any two web extensions used in web address. .org and .com.
.org and
.com. What are they?
.com.
What are they? .org and .com. What are they?
Org is organization. .com is a common website address.
These two are web extensions used with web address.
Yeah.
Hmm.
OM is
www.
Oman.
No. Huh?
OM. ON or OM is from Oman or Oman.
Yeah. Identify web addresses and email addresses from the following. Which are all web address and which are all email? How will you identify a web address and
Ma'am,
email
I'll tell you
address?
one. I'll tell you one. Ma'am, see, web address and email address is very easy to identify now. In web address, there will be www.com. In email address, there will be hut.
Super.
@
Identify web address and email address from the following.
Again, easy. First one is web address. Second is email. Third is web address. And again, the last one is email.
Okay. Which language is useful to create web page? Which language?
HTML.
Super. Name any two internet protocols used by web page.
HTTP and FTP.
HTTP and FTP.
Yeah, HTTP and FTP.
Name the protocol which helps you to communicate between a web server and a web browser. HTTP.
HTTP.
Briefly discuss the role of a web browser in internet surfing. What is web browser?
Web browser One more. Web browser is a browser which is a software is program that allows a user to locate and to display the web pages.
Hmm. And it acts as internet surfing.
Surfing. It's access internet surfing.
Distinguish between FTP and Telnet. FTP means file transfer protocol.
File transfer protocol.
Hmm. It facilitates the transfer of files from one point to another.
One to another.
But what is Telnet? Telnet is a connection protocol that allows a user to connect to remote server.
Remote server.
Yeah, repeat again. Distinguish between FTP and Telnet.
FTP is a file transfer protocol, and a telnet is used for connecting protocols in a remote areas like village and all. Telnet mainly used in villages.
What do you understand by Telnet? Be clear with your
Telnet.
be clear with your answer.
Telnet is basically used for faraway places like villages. We can use telnet internet connection for because it uses with a distance.
What do you understand by remote login?
Remote login means in a faraway places like in a village place from a city to a village. From a city you can access to a village website. That village website village from villager can have like that.
You read this question and you read this answer and tell me. You read this answer.
Remote login access is a liberty getting access to a computer of internet from different computer to different computer. Basically, which I told.
How did internet begin? Go to page number 1 to 2. How did internet begin? Let us go there and see.
The video is our teacher sort our first teacher in our class.
Tell me. Tell the answer.
The history of internet. In 1969, the University of Inframsco Los Angeles, the University of Ulster were connected, being the ARPANET, the Advanced Voters Net, and using six, 65 bit circuiting in which purpose of when used United States Department of Defense of DOD and the
This
global projects.
Kevin,
Uh,
you read and tell me. Why do you want to read the book? Yeah, you just go through and tell the answer. That is enough for short question answer. This is only for a short answer. You are saying for long answer.
on the short answer. No. Go to the page. You can see it's very short only.
Hmm.
Oh, uh,
Hmm.
basically, it was born in 1969 by USA government. That was ARPANET. Then the
Oh.
network was using by 65 bits, and circulator in the was used in States and domains, and the global project contained on computers of different University of USA and defines.
How do
This is really short
internet?
answer.
Okay. How do internet help us?
Internet help us to know about the organization and know about the like what is there in the website, what is there in the world, and like in internet help us in for education and other etc. work for business also. It like, helps to promote the business.
Hmm.
Mm, yeah.
Hmm. How do internet
Mm,
help us? Are you eating anything?
nothing.
How do internet help us? Come on, tell.
Indian help us. I told him on the answer already.
It allows the organization to advertise their products
That's
and
what I told him.
easily communicate with other people, and we
If
can save
it's used for education, you can use you can get knowledge from the internet. You can get various information from the internet. You can use for education.
okay, write three disadvantages of using internet.
Maybe this internet can be like hacked, and some people can use for it. Some people can misuse internet. By internet shopping or all, it can be hacked, and your credit card will be hacked, and so there this and there'll be a lot of fake news. So this all of the negative part of internet.
What is modem?
Modem is the
Modem stands
one
for modulator and demodulator.
modulate. Yeah,
It stands
modem stands
for
for
uh,
modulator and demodulator. Is a hardware device which enables a computer to send and receive information over the telephone lines by the converting the analog signal data by your computer into an analog signal using
digital digital data used by your computer into analog signal used on
yeah.
telephones. Define home page. Give two advantages of home page.
Home page. Home page is the first page of the website. Home page shows what is like it's a more interaction what is there what is about the organization.
Many organizations use both internet and intranet. Use some different. What do you mean by intranet and internet?
Internet is
Worldwide network.
worldwide network.
And
Intranet
intranet is local area network.
local area network. Some companies will be like using it for local business. Maybe other business will be using for international, so they'll be using world
Not,
network.
it is not business. Inside the company itself,
I'm like in organization. I'm telling ma'am.
write a note on IP address and give its characteristics.
IP address. IP address is the internet. Internet follows the number-based address. IP address is basically an address for given for every single computer. It has a different IP address. It's been like a numbers. On yeah, it'll be domain system. IP address. It characteristics are numbers. IP address are unique and it is government standardized. Like it's very unique for every single computer and it's standardized. Standardized.
How do you differentiate between a web address and an email address?
Web address, yeah, I told you web address as www and email address at the rate of, but the web address does not have at the rate.
Discuss the role of web servers and web clients.
The role of web server is it's a basically computer program which serves which is HTML request by the file of the web client. Every web server yeah and web server
Is connected to the
is
internet with associated unique address.
unique address.
Yeah, that is each organization will have their own
On
IP address.
unique address.
IP address. That is unique address.
Yeah.
And what is web client?
Web client is a person who
It
search
is a computing
information
term. It is a not person. It is a computing term
income.
which describes special program designed as a user interface.
As a user interface, yeah. So,
and this is done by using sending the message to the web server.
yeah, sending a message. Yeah, sending a
Yes,
message.
sir. What is the significance of HTTP?
HTTP is a protocol which is used in internet in the work of WW. Like HTTP is a like file transfer protocol. Like is a protocol used in internet.
Okay, next let us go to long answer. Why is internet called network of networks?
And internet is called a network of networks because it's a global networking of computers in linked to together of different computers from a lot of computers. So that's why it's known as network of networks.
Hmm.
And basically it's a millions of heterogenic networks which connect to each other, and it becomes a network, and then it grows as internet. Then internet will be collection of networks, and computers are unable to exchange information. And equally most use of the internet is two ways: email and World Wide Web. The internet is mostly are not connected to directly, and they are connected to smaller networks, which turns great wave internet backbone. Gateway device is the connection of small networks and a backbone. Centrally, the network is okay. Structure of constants or more than networks, more networks.
You share me that CBSE question paper ma with answer. You said something they have given in school, no? That one you share.
पापा फोन था नहीं फोन था मम्मी का फोन था
సూపర్ పచ్చడి సూపర్
போடுங்க
சும்மா அந்த மாதிரி கீபோர்டு எல்லாத்தையும் ആ പെണ്ണിനെ കയ്യിൽ വെച്ചിരിക്കും കേട്ടോ ബിരിയാണി
யாரைங்க ஹலோ
No, just 1 minute. Wait.